Okay, my dear friends, we are going to the today class, that is miscellaneous exercise. Find the area under the given curve and the given lines. Curve is given, lines is given. Okay, we will find out the area. First we will take the A. What is A is given? Y is equal to x square is given, x is equal to 1, ordinates is given, and x axis is given. Okay, though we cannot find the means point of intersections, directly we will go to the diagram. Here 100% y is equal to x square. X power even means it is symmetric on 100%, it is symmetric on y axis. Now here x is equal to 1. For suppose 0 this one, here x is equal to 1, here x is equal to, what happened? This is x is equal to 1 means you draw the line, no problem. Here this is x is equal to 1. Here x is equal to 2. Here x is equal to 2. Now this part we will find. Now this is the curve. What is the area? Area region bounded by the curve, ordinates and the x-axis. 1, 2, 2 curve. Y is equal clearly is there. Now area is equal to required area. The area region bounded by the given curve and the x-axis. You write that one. The area region bounded by the given curve and the ordinates x is equal to 1, x is equal to, and the x-axis is area is equal to 1, 2, 2. Now required area is equal to 1, 2, 2 x square dx, my dear students. Okay. Now integral of x square means x cube by 3. Limits 1 to 2. 1 by 3 is the constant right now. Now 2 cube, upper limit is 2, 2 cube 8 minus 1. That is equal to how much? How much, my dear students? 7 by 3 square units. Okay. In this way we will do the problems. Next, similarly B. Same, y is equal to x power even 100%. Same diagram. Now x is equal to 1, comma x is equal to 5. Same, draw the diagram here. Y equal to x power 4 means even 100%. Here per suppose x is equal to 1, here per suppose x is equal to 5, whatever may be. Okay. Now x is equal to 1 means vertical line, here vertical line. Now we can find this area. Same way, area is equal 1 to 5. Okay. Now area is region bounded by the point of intersection. No need of the point of intersections. Okay, we can't 1 to 5. Already clearly observe that is called 1 to 5. Area is equal 1 to 5 x power 4 dx. Okay, my dear students. Now x power 5 by 5, limits 1 to 5. 1 by 5 is the constant. 5 power 5 minus 1. 5 5 is a 25, 125, 625, 3125. 5 power 5. 3125 minus 1. That is equal 3124 by 5 square units. Now area is equal to 3124 by 5 square units. Don't. Okay. In this way we will do the problems. I hope that you understood the problems or not. I hope. Okay, my dear students. Next we are going to the next question. Okay, my dear students, we are going to the next problem. Find the area between the curves y is equal to x and y is equal to x square. Observe that in this one the point of intersection is means ordinates are not given, means x values are not given. That's why must and should will find the values of x. Whenever you find the values of x, the functions in terms of x only. Now here given curves, what are the given curves is going on? Now given curves y is equal to x, comma y is equal to x square. This is equation number 1. This is equation from 1 and 2. Y value is equal means 100% x value is equal. Therefore x square equal to x. Point of intersection from 1 and 2. Okay, x square equal to x. That means x common, x minus 1 equal 0. Now x is equal 0 comma 1. X equal 0. Whenever x equal 0, what happened? Y value 100% 0. X is equal to 1 means 100% y value is equal to 1. Now what are the point of intersections? The point of intersections are 0 comma 0 and 1 comma 1. Okay, my dear students. Now draw the diagram. Here y is equal to x square. X power even means 100% it is on, okay, y axis. Y is equal to x. You know that y is equal to x means passes through the origin. Already I explained each and every one, my dear students. This is the 0 comma 0. This is point of intersection. Suppose P. This is 1 comma. This is 1 comma means x coordinate. Ordinate is x is equal to 1. Now we will find the area. Upper curve minus lower curve. Upper curve is, what is this curve? What is the name of this curve? Upper is y is equal to x. This is curve is y is equal to x square. Now upper curve minus lower curve. Two curves are there, means 0 to 1. Limits are 0 to 1. Now required area is equal. Required area means the area region bounded by a given curve and ordinate is required area A is equal integral of 0 to 1. What is the upper curve? Upper curve is line. Line means x minus lower curve is x square dx. Integral of x means x square by 2 minus x cube by 3. What are the limits is going on? 0 to 1. Upper limit is 1. 1 by 2 minus 1 by 3. Lower limits must and should 0. No problem at all. This is 6. 3 minus 2. That is equal 1 by 6 square units, my dear students. In this way, we will do the problems. Okay. Okay, my dear students. So discuss about the next problem, that is third problem. Find the area of the region using in the first coordinate and bounded by the lines y is equal to 4x square and x is equal to 0 means y axis. Y value is half size means horizontal lines is given. Now first already all given, curve is given. But suppose observe that directly we will take the what is given, write down first the given curve y is equal to 4x square. Here y is equal to 1, y is equal to 4 and x is equal to 0 means y axis is given. Means we will find the with respect to the area with respect to the y axis. Y axis means function in terms of 100% in terms of y. Here x square is equal y by 4. X is equal root y by 200%, my dear students. Okay. Observe that. Now the area is going on y is equal 4x square. X power even means totally graph on in this way. Okay, my dear students. After that y is equal to 1. This is actually horizontal line. Y is equal above the x axis. This is y is equal to 1 line. Okay, next y is equal 4. Y is equal 4. Suppose this is y is equal 4. This is point. This is point. Now this is y axis. This is the curve. These are the limits. This is 1 to 4. What happened area? Now you will find the area. This area. This part. This is area. Okay. Now area is equal to the area region bounded by the curve y axis and the abscissa. What are the going on? Now suppose this is called point of intersection. This is no need of the write the point. Already you find out the already all given. Now the area region, okay, bounded by the curve y is equal to 4x square and y is equal to 1, y equal to 4 and y axis is, now area is equal, what is going on, 1 to 4. 100% whenever you will take the y values a function in terms of y means x dy, you write x dy with respect to y. Integral 1 to 4 x value root y by 2 dy. Here 1 by 2 is constant. Integral of 1 to 4 root y dy, that equal 1 by 2. Integral of root y means 2 by 3 y root y. Limits 1 to 4. Constants we write the outside, no problem. 1 by 3. Upper limit is 4. 4 into root 4 means 8 minus 1. That equal 7 by 3. Area is equal 7 by 3 square units. Okay, my dear students. Okay, next question, my dear students. Sketch the graph of y is equal mod of x plus 3 and evaluate integral minus 6 to 0 modulus of x plus 3. These type of questions are very important, my dear students. Listen carefully. Sketch the graph of y is equal mod of x plus 3 and evaluate okay. How to draw the graph of this one? Already I am explaining lot of problems. Here this is the critical point. At x is equal to minus 3 it will be 0. After at which point it is 0? X is equal to minus 3 means y is equal to 0 means minus 3 comma 0. But exactly the curve intersect the y axis minus 0 comma 3. Modulus means left side and right side. Okay, left side 100% negative, right side 100% positive. Observe that here minus 6 to 0 limits is given. What is given solution? Y is equal to modulus of x plus 3. Okay, now here up 100% observe that y is, whenever you remove the modulus here, for suppose mod x is positive when x greater than 0, here also same way. This is for suppose x plus 3 when x plus 3 is greater than 0, that means x greater than minus 3. Okay, my dear students, in this way. Now minus negative mod x is equal to minus when x less than 0 means minus of x plus 3. Now that is x plus 3 less than 0 means x less than minus 3. X greater than minus 3 is positive, x less than is minus 3 is negative. How to sketch the diagram? Already always I was explained that one. Okay, my dear students, I hope that you understood or not. Okay, now for suppose what happened here, observe the graph is how to draw the graph. How to draw the graph means here 0, here minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, no problem at all. Okay, minus 4, y up to minus 6 is there, minus 5, minus 6. What is the graph is going on here? This side is 1 2 3, 1 2 3, no problem. Here exactly intersect the x plus critical point is x is equal to minus 3 here in this place, 100%. Now from this one to this side is going on in this way 100%, this is going on in this way, always in this way, v shape. The curve of the mod x is always v shape. Okay, this is the diagram for this one. What is this one? Modulus of x plus 3. Now what is given? Minus 6 to 0 is asking. Here minus 6. Here extension is going on here minus 6. This is x value. X value minus 6 means here. Here minus 6 to minus 3 100% left side means minus 3 less than. Minus 3 less than means you will take the negative. Next minus 3 more than minus 3 means minus 3 to up to here only. Asking is minus 6 to 0. Minus 6 to 0 how to divide into the minus 6 to 0? Minus 6 to 0 is minus 6 to minus 3 this side, this area. Next this area. Okay, left side whenever the, just simple observe that whenever you find the critical point, draw the critical point. After that left side always negative, right side always positive. That's simple, my dear students. Now the area region bounded by the curve y is equal to mod x plus 3 and x is equal to minus 6 and x is equal to 0 is. Okay, the area region bounded by the curve y is equal to mod x plus 3, x is equal to minus 6, x is equal to 0 and x axis is area is equal to integral of, observe that here asking is minus 6 to 0, minus 6 to 0. Whenever modulus is given 100% positive negative. Here minus 6 to minus 3 100% left side, that is negative, clearly means less than minus 3. Minus 6 to minus 3, this is minus of x plus 3. Okay, plus minus 3 to 0 100% positive right side. Whenever modulus is given, we will take the positive or negative. Whenever you remove the modulus, plus or minus. Whenever you take the minus, whenever you take the plus, that is enough. That is equal x plus 3 minus x plus 3 whole square by 2. By 2 means you write here 1 by 2. This is minus 6 to minus 3 plus x plus 3 whole square by 2. By 2 right here. Okay, minus 3 to 0. Now substitute the upper limit. Minus 1 by 2 into upper limit is minus 3. Minus 3 plus 3 is 0. Minus lower limit is minus 6. Minus 6 plus 3. Minus 3 whole square means 9. Plus 1 by 2 into upper limit is 0. 0 plus 3 means 9. 0 plus 3. 3 square means 9. Minus lower limit is 0. Okay, my dear students. Minus into minus plus 9 by 2 plus 9 by 2. 9 plus 9. 18. 18 by 2. 18 by 2 means 9. Now the required area is equal 9 square units. Okay, my dear students. Okay, my dear students, we are going to the next problem. Find the area bounded by the curve y is equal to sin x between x is equal to 0 and x is equal to 2 pi. Observe that in the 0 comma 2 pi interval the curve changes a lot of variance. 0 to pi is positive, pi to 2 pi is negative. That's why compulsory we will find the area. Okay, now you know the values of sine. For suppose we will take this circular path, means 0 to 360 degrees. Here observe that here's 0, this is 100% 90 degrees, this is 180, this is 3 pi by 2, this is 2 pi. Sine 0 0, sine 91 we know. Okay, sine pi opposite means this is also 0, sine 90 opposite 370 means minus 1, 2 pi is 0. Now the curve is asking 0 to 2 pi. Now the graph of the curve is given, curve is y is equal to c sin x. What is the graph of the curve? Graph of curve. By using the graph we will easily find out the area. Now this is x-axis, the radian value is taken on x-axis, the means numerical values means algebraic values are on y-axis. This is plus 1 per suppose, this is minus 1. Now here 0 means here we will take here pi by 2, here pi, here 3 pi by 2, here 2 pi, simply my dear students. Now what happened, observe that whenever sine 0 100% sine 0 degrees means sine 0 means 0, this one part, sine 90 means 1, sine pi 0, sine 3 pi by 2 minus 1, sine 2 pi 0. Okay my dear students, now here in this way joining these all. Now 0 to pi above the x-axis means you will take the plus of the definite integral. Here pi to 2 pi below the x-axis means we take the negative of the definite integral. Now area is equal, how to take this one? Area is equal to 0 to pi. What is this curve? Sin x dx. Now below the x-axis means 100%. Actually this area is always positive. That's why we will take. For suppose we cannot take the minus means what we get? This is the negative area. Area never negative. That's why we will write negative. Already this is negative, negative. Negative into negative must and should positive. That's why I am taking. Okay, pi 2 pi sin x dx, just pi 2 pi. Now integral of sin x, you know, minus cos x, minus of cos x 0 to pi. Integral of sin x means minus cos x, already minus is there, plus cos x pi to 2 pi. Already I explained odd multiples of, that is cos pi minus cos 0 plus cos 2 pi minus cos pi, minus cos pi value minus 1, cos 0 is 1. Okay, cos 2 pi is 1 minus cos pi is minus 1. Okay my dear students, this is minus of minus 2 plus 1 plus 1 means 2, 2 plus 2, that is equal 4. Area is equal 4 square units. This way we will complete the problems. Okay my dear students, we are going to the next problem. This is example problem. Find the area bounded by the curve y is equal to cos x between x equal 0 and x is equal to pi. Before, okay, we have discussed that is y is equal to sin x. This is y is equal to cos x. You know the values from 0 to 2 pi? Yes. This is 0 degrees, this is 90 degrees, this is 180 degrees, this is 3 pi by 2, this is 2 pi. These are the quadrant angles. Cos 0 1, cos 90 0 means cos 180 minus 1, opposite. This is 0, 2 pi is 1. Now first draw the graph. What is the given curve? Y is equal to cos x. The graph of cos x means the cos x is different in the different coordinates. First coordinate positive, fourth coordinate is positive, second and third negative. Okay, the graph of cos x as follows. Now radian values always take on the x-axis. 0, pi by 2, pi, 3 pi by 2, 2 pi my dear students. Now the numerical values, this is plus 1, this is minus 1. Now here cos 0 means 1, cos 0 means 1 means this place, cos 90 means 0 on x-axis, cos pi minus 1, pi at the pi minus 1 here, 3 pi by 2 is 0, next 2 pi is 1, 2 pi means 1 here. Now joining all these points without mistake. Okay, Now observe that here this is 2 pi. This 0 to pi by 2 upper above the x-axis, 3 pi by 2 2 pi above the x-axis. Now pi by 2 to 3 pi by 2 below the x-axis. So now area is equal to integral 0 to pi by 2 cos x dx. Here below the x-axis means area 100% negative. That's why you make the positive means 100% you will take negative. Pi by 2 to 3 pi by 2 cos x dx plus 3 pi by 2 to 2 pi above the x-axis means 100% positive. Now integral of cos x means sin x, limit 0 to pi by 2 sin x, limits pi by 2 to 3 pi by 2 sin x, limit 3 pi by 2 to 2 pi. My dear students, upper limit sin 90 1 minus 0 minus sin 3 pi by 2 minus 1 minus sin 90 is 1 plus here sin 2 pi 0 minus sin 3 pi by 2 is minus 1 1 plus 2 plus 1, that is equal to 4 square units. The total area before y is equal to cos x and y is equal to sin x in the interval 0 comma 2 pi 100% how much? 4 square units. You remember for objective type questions.